We have a 1978 Sea Ray 19 foot, and the owner wants us to do some repairs to the fiberglass. The boat's in very rough shape. He doesn't want to spend a lot of money, so we're just going to patch it up, not necessarily fix all the problems. So water was getting into the floor. Somewhere it was coming in at the top here, and it was coming out down at the bottom. So he just wants it opened up, dry it out as best we can, and just glass over it to just keep water out. So it was wet in here. We're putting heat on it, and it's still, these are the stringers, it's still structurally sound. So we're just going to grind around and glass it. And you can see the crack, there's a crack going forward here. We're going to glass over that. It seems to be foam in there, maybe a little bit of glass. It looks like it's been patched before. In the other areas, over here, this is the fuel tank, and we had these cleats on the side, on there, screwed in, and then this went over top that sat on there, and these you see these wine corks are sitting against the tank, but it was cracking all the way around, so there was no holding force. So we've ripped out that material, and you can see there's a big gap between the floor and this stringer here, so we're going to put some wood in there to support it. Behind it is some foam. This looks like a piece of oak that's just kind of floating, and this side looks better. You've got the floor resting right on the stringer. I'm not sure what this mesh is, but you can see the crack all along here, so we're going to grind this out. I think we're just going to glass right over top. We'll have to match the gel coat color, put some new gel coat on. So we finished our glassing. We did 3 layers of 1 ounce mat all the way around, and it's been taped off, and that's where our gel coat edge is going to be. We finished drying the wood, then we put the poly bond in and some Bondo, faired it, ground it all the way around where the glass is going to go, and now we're ready to glass it. So we brushed the gel coat all around, and our final coat, we're doing a non-skid on the top. So we've thickened up the gel coat with material called Cabasil, and we'll brush it all on, and then we'll go over it with a roller. So we finished the job. The task was to seal up all the cracks in the fiberglass, which we've done. We spent very little time matching the color of the gel coat, which you can see, but we just didn't want to spend too much time, keep the cost down. The owner's seen it, he's quite happy with the results. He's not too worried about cosmetics, but just keep the water out. So this repair should last quite a few years. The owner's had it for quite a few years, and he wants to keep it for quite a few more. And that's it. Thanks for watching.